We'll be using this molding gel, and this is the hairstyle we're going for, except I tried and tried but couldn't. So we're going to do something a little bit different, and this is the hair that we'll be using. So I made this hair in the previous video, I'll link it. Go watch that if you want to know how it's made from straight hair. And then this is what it looks like. It's really nice. I liked it and I like how it came out. So this is my parting, and I actually left the front one for the crisscross part.
Somebody should have told me it would be like this, be like this, be like this. Somebody should have told me it would be like this.
I don't use them at all. They just kept on breaking and breaking and breaking, so I just stopped altogether. So I went on and now tried to do twist, just twist my hair without the rubber bands. And then this was the result. I didn't like it very much because when I plaited the hair at the back with the extension, it didn't come out as good as I wanted it to be. So that's me, the rest of the hair plaited out. So I just went on and just started unbraiding the top part, at least the front top part. I used 3 pieces of hair to crochet into the braid underneath the braid, and then 2 pieces of hair to crochet onto the braid, a little bit up, a little bit higher, and then use the one that was onto the braid and the one underneath separately and just crochet with them. The one on the braid helps hide the braid, so you don't see the braid in the twist. So twist one part of the hair first. If you're right-handed, get the right hand and then twist one part of it, and then hand it over to the left and then twist that one as well, and just keep going like that. And then to add on hair, you can use 2 methods. This first one I just use a bit of hair and tied it around, then crochet it into the new hair that we're going to be adding, and then continue twisting from that. Or you could also use the method where you just add it directly to your hair without having to crochet. They all come out the same. And for this one, you just get your hair and then put it at the end. I'll show you in a bit. There we go. So I just get that and then put it on and just keep going. This is much easier than doing actual braids because this is just like 2 strands. So you just put it on there and then it stays intact, and just keep on twisting. There you go. Just twist one part, hand it over to the next one. So I went on and did one part of the crisscross using extension and the other one without. As you can see, the one without was thinner, so I went on and just undid that and now use the extension. You do the very same braid crochet method where you just put one down and then one on top and then twist with that. So you just keep on twisting. I just felt like doing it like this made it look a lot more thicker. So I twisted one part, crisscrossed it with the other one, and then twisted this other part. Unfortunately, this didn't come out as good as it was, but at this point I was so tired. Look at how loose it was. I was so tired. I was just like, bruh, whatever. It's just, I can't anymore. I'm just going to finish it. It's either it's finished or I'm finished. So we went on, and this is what it looked like. I think it came out cute regardless. Even though it gave me such a headache, but I feel like it was beautiful. So this was actually filmed a long time ago. It's the same time, as you can see, the time I was doing the thrift haul. These are some of the clothes from the thrift haul that some of them are actually already gone. If you want to see that, go on, and I'll leave a link and you can watch that. Look at how beautiful and how I like the kind of like, it's oldish but it's like cute, and then that's it. How big I wanted them. Look at the side part, but I just love it. I think it looked beautiful, even though it took me forever, and being the first time doing this ever, twisting my hair, I think it came out okay for a beginner. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and turn on the bell that is next to the subscribe button so you're notified every time I post, because I'm about to post another video and I want you to be aware of that once it's posted. So thank you very much for coming. If you want to know what this hair is or how it was made, watch the next video, and bye.